how's my day going today? Today, usually on my days I'm doing toy review, but since it's almost July, which is tomorrow, I decided not to do toy review today and talk to next week. Cause today I want to show you guys a treat that I got recently at Walmart, and it is new to me, the Hostess red, white, blue Twinkies. Got mine at Walmart for around $3, and they look very nice on the outside. Note, they remind me of those Mexican cornbread mixes you get from the store. No, they be yellow, have little Mexican having specks in it, like red and green, but this one has red and. Okay guys, sorry for the abrupt edits, but some notifications would come on my phone and end up messing up the video. But anyways, here's what the back of the box looks like. Hopefully I haven't recorded it yet, but this is the advertisement for the American Red Cross, how you can give out to them, and nutrition facts and ingredients and whatnot. And anyways, I took one out of the package. You get 10 of them inside, and now opening it up, you guys, and I'm gonna test it. Looks really nice. Honestly, I'm really not a Twinkies person because I really if I'll eat them. As you can see, they kind of remind me of these little cornbread mixes you get. The looks like cornbread mixes, Mexican. That's what it looks like to me. But anyways, I'm gonna test one. Yeah, decent. But here's the inside. It's a red and blue specks throughout. It's some cream in it. It's not a whole lot of cream, but there's some cream in it though. There's more cream. Oh, it tastes okay. For some reason, you get any red or blue taste in your mouth, so it was really having to do with the taste. It's the decoration of the food coming. Now here's our verdict on this. From 1 to 5, 5 being the best, 1 being the worst. I'm going to make it as a 3 because I normally don't eat Twinkies, and I saw these. I just want to try it out and see what it tastes like. So therefore, I'm giving it a 3. And I don't know if I'm committed or not, but if you love the Hostess Twinkies, you definitely love these. Now, thank you guys for watching my special food review and taste test today on Monday. I have another food taste test and review coming up tomorrow, which is the 4th of July. And I want to thank you guys for watching my channel. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more food test reviews, Passion Fridays, and toy reviews. This review come back next week. And as usual, I got 4 words to say to you guys. Peace, love, and stat raiders. Bye bye for now.